Let's make a chiffon cake. Mise en place. We have the following ingredients. For the procedures, first, prepare the baking pan and line with parchment paper. Measure the dry ingredients. Mix dry ingredients. Separate egg whites from egg yolks. For meringue, beat the egg whites and add the sugar gradually until it creating a peak. Set aside. Beat the egg yolks and add the sugar gradually. Add the oil and pineapple juice. Cut and fold the buttered mixture to the meringue. Fill baking pans with the mixture. Place in the oven for 45 to 60 minutes. Once cooled, serve. Thank you.